how to turn on keyboard autocorrection on iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max. If you are typing and you want your keyboard to automatically correct whatever you type, just like this, so as to make it easy for you to type, then this video is going to walk you through how you can easily turn on this feature on your iPhone 12. So if none of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. While on the settings page, scroll down, click on General. Now, once you select General, you want to scroll down the page and then select Keyboard. Once you select Keyboard, locate all keyboards, and here you want to locate Auto Correction on your iPhone 12. If this is disabled, then go ahead and turn on this. With the Auto Correction disabled, if you go back to the messaging app, you'll not be able to have suggestions for whatever you type using the Auto Correction. So just go back now and turn on Auto Correction, and once Auto Correction is turned on, you should see the differences. You see that? So that is basically how to turn on keyboard Auto Correction on iPhone 12. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.